Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome to today's webinar. I'm Hari Atunda from WPfoss, and I'm thrilled to be joined by my colleague Brian. In the next few minutes, we are going to show you how to build a beautiful professional website using WordPress and Brizy. No coding will be required, whether you are launching a blog, portfolio, or business site. This session is packed with practical tips to help you get started fast. So let's dive in.
Oh, thanks, Harry. Before we dive into the demo, let me quickly explain why WordPress and Breezy are such a powerful combination. WordPress powers over 40% of all websites. It's free, super flexible, and endlessly customizable. And on top of that, you have Breezy, a visual drag and drop page builder that makes designing your site easy. No coding is also required.
Yeah, exactly. With Brizy, you get pre-made templates, real-time editing, and smooth workflow that let you launch a professional-looking site in minutes. It's all about making WordPress, making your website creation accessible to everyone. So whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just get starting online.
What you need to get started, you should have a domain. If you don't have one, you can also use local web hosting. I'm using local WP on my end. Ensure that you have WordPress installed. You should also have access to Breezy Page Builder, the plugin. Here we are going to assume that you have already installed WordPress and you're ready to go.
Yes, so if you are like completely new to WordPress, don't worry. Once your hosting is set up, most providers offer one-click WordPress installation. So Breeze is then added like any plugin.
All right, let's dive into Breezy. So this is my website. It looks like this. This is the front page of my website. Once you log into your WordPress dashboard, take a moment and familiarize yourself with the layout. You can see on the left-hand side, we have the menu items. To get started with Breezy, you'll have to go to plugins, then add a new plugin. Once you get there, you'll go to the search icon, search for Breezy. Okay, Breezy has popped up. You click install now. Once it has finished installing, you'll click activate to activate it. It's a very simple process. One might say it's as easy as installing apps on your phone. So finish installing, click on activate. Welcome to Breezy, you'll be greeted. If you're using the free version of Breezy, you're good to go at this point. But if you want to take things to the next step, we'll use Breezy Pro. To do that, we'll also go to plugins, then add a new plugin. You'll upload the plugin. It's a premium plugin. So select my Breezy, open it, click on install. Once it has finished installing, we'll proceed as we did for the Breezy one. We'll activate it. But for the Pro one, we'll need a license to activate it. Let me activate my plugin. Already had a plugin installed. Yeah, you'll actually input your license here to make it active. So let's get started with installing the website. To do that, you'll go over to Breezy on the left-hand menu. Then you'll have access to starter templates. Click on starter templates. Once you click on starter template, you'll be greeted with a beautiful crafted template organized into categories. Browse through the categories and select the one that fits your vision. For instance, if you're creating a portfolio site, you can choose portfolio category. If you're using a business website, you can choose a business template. Once you have selected your template, hover over it and then click on install. Because you're starting over, you can delete any existing content that is there, then click on install the template. A pop-up will appear. Don't close this window until the installation is finished. It may take up to a couple of minutes, 5 minutes or less. Once the import is complete, you can click on edit your website from here, from this pop-up. If by any chance you've clicked out, you can also go to pages, then edit a specific page that you want. So in my case, I'm going to click on edit website. This will launch Brizy Visual Editor. You can tick the design, add your content, and make page uniquely to your preference. So we're gonna edit this. So I'm gonna put something like join our Facebook group. Yeah. Then you can customize everything that you want to your liking. Also, once you're done, you can click on update. Brizy also offers device responsiveness to different devices. So I'm gonna go over to this desktop view. Currently I'm on desktop view. I'm going to click on also on tablet view and see how it appears. I can customize it the way I want it to appear. Then I can also select mobile view, see how my website will look like. So let me hop over to desktop view. You can also delete some elements that you don't like. In a case example, this image is quite big. I can right click on it, then select delete. Once I've deleted it, I'm going to update it. Once it was actually updated, you can see it as it reflected on the different devices that I have. I can also preview the changes that I've made. I'm going to go over to this menu icon, then preview my changes. From here, you can see, yeah, my website will look like this. This is how the website will look like. Join our Facebook group. I've edited that. Then I also deleted that image element. Yeah, you have actually successfully created your first website using Brizy.
Yeah, Brian, someone might ask, like, can I use Breezy for an online store?
Yeah, you can use Brizy for an online store. You'll have to integrate Brizy with WooCommerce plugin. But then again, we have a tutorial on how you can do this. A link will be provided in the description. So you can be on the lookout for that video.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Brian, for taking us through. So that one we've just created like WordPress, our WordPress website in minutes.
Remember, it's not about perfection. It's all about progress. You can launch, tweak the website as you go. You can also follow us on our Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube page at WPfoss for more tutorials. And if you want a pro to help you manage your website, you know where to find us.
Okay, thanks for joining and go build something amazing. Thank you.